So we'll be doing something very exciting today. We're going to be um, adding a RAM to our Asus PC. We're going to be upgrading our RAM on our Asus. So first off, let me shut it down. It's very important we actually get to shut it down. And then I do hope this is going to be a pretty much straightforward one. We have all our screws. You can see the screws we need to unscrew here. So I'll take this and this. Let's get this for first. So let's try this, see if this works. Okay, it does work. And you can see we already have our RAM by the side here. This is a 4 gig PC4 RAM. Is it bright there? Let me hear if I almost can't see. So we're done unscrewing. Huh? Yeah. I want to see if I can open it first. Then. And I think this was something we were talking about previously when I was talking about this PC. One of the things I made mention of was that the RAM was pretty or literally towards the processor, which makes it to some level process data more faster than a normal PC. That's the RAM is kind of like a distance. So as we can see, we have just one RAM slot here, so we can choose to make it an 8 gig RAM or whatever. So for now we have a 4 gig RAM which we're going to be inserting. Hopefully when we do have a 12 gig RAM, an 8 gig RAM, we'll insert it here to have a 12 gig RAM running. And right here is the hard disks section if you want to use hard disks, but we are using SSD, right? And I hope, mainly looking at this, you can see and tell that this is literally the very first time this PC is actually being opened. And this is the air vents. So I'm not going to waste much time. I'm just going to insert our RAM. Which way is it? This way. So we've inserted our RAM, and we'll be closing this back up. So the smaller screws are coming towards the bottom. Okay, so let's boot this up. Are you sure it detected this RAM? We'll be confirming then. You can off the flash, the lights. You can see the RAM is now 8 gig. It was 4 gig initially. So I could literally feel a lot of improvements. It was pretty lagging prior. You can see now we now have 8 gig. So 4 gig of its inbuilt, and the 4 gig we just included in here. So, and literally the PC is actually way more faster than it was prior. It used to really lag. And yeah, 512 gig storage, graphics card 128 megabytes, we have 8 gig RAM, 11 gen core i3 processor with 3 gigahertz. So thank you very much, guys. I do hope this was a pretty easy one. So if you have, I do hope you enjoyed it. So do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.